If you guys are planning to take test in August, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, this is Karanveer. Welcome back to my channel IELTS Tak. I hope you guys are good. आज की वीडियो में अगस्त के सभी टेस्ट की बात करेंगे, देखेंगे कि कौन सा एकेडमिक है और कौन सा एकेडमिक प्लस जीटी है और किस टेस्ट का क्या लेवल है. So before proceeding to video, I just wanna tell you that this is merely a guesswork. So practice is the primary thing and guesswork is secondary one. It is very hard to predict any test before 1 month of actual date. So that prediction is only possible before 1 to 2 weeks only, which is always true most of the time. You can go and check all that as well. In this video, we will discuss the level of upcoming tests. First of all, we are going to talk about the first test, that is on 7th August 2021. This is only for academic students. As compared to other tests, it will be easy. The overall level of this test is between easy to moderate, but the chances of test to be easy are more. Why? Because it is the first test and it is only for academic. Talking about listening and reading level, both will be easy. That means there will be minor chances of map and the chances of MCQs will be less. Likewise, in the reading there will be less MCQs, however there will be fill in the blanks and that again will be of 1 to 2 words only. First passage will be quite easy, last one will be a difficult one, but the second will be moderate to easy. So overall level of the first test will be easy to moderate. Talking about next test, that is on 12th August 2021. This is for both academic and GT students. As it is with GT students, so the level of this test is little bit up. Talking about listening or reading level, both will be up. In listening, there will be chances that there will be 19 to 20 MCQs. Same with the reading, the passages may be a bit boring one, but I wanna make it clear that if you are good in English and you have done appropriate practice of all modules, then you can crack IELTS easily. With this, let's move to the third test, that is on 21st August 2021. This test is a bit different to above two tests as it is for both GT and academic students at some places, but there are other places where it will be for only academic students. So the level of this test will be moderate only, as it is with GT students also, but it wouldn't be that much difficult that it would be considered as tough one. So my prediction for this test is moderate. Talking about listening, if there will be 20 MCQs, then there will be no map, but if there will be a map, then the number of MCQs will be less. Similarly, in reading, 1 out of 3 passages will be tough, second may be moderate and third will be easy, but the positions of the passages may shuffle, so you need to check first which will be easy. I recommend that you should start with the easy passage first. And guys, there are many videos that are quite helpful for IELTS, like for vocab reading, for daily listening practice, for unique cue card ideas, for improving listening by speech. So you can go and check my channel's playlist for that all, as there are students from far-flung areas which are learning a lot from my videos. So if you can't attend my offline classes, then better you go and watch my videos. Now let's talk about the last test of the month, that is on 28 August 2021. This is again only for academic only, as it is a lone test but in the mid of the June, so chances of are very high that this test will be moderate. Talking about the reading and the listening level, they will be going to be easy to moderate plus. That means there will be minor chances of map and the chances of MCQs will be less. Likewise, in the reading there will be less MCQs, however there will be fill in the blanks and that again will be of 1 to 2 words only. First passage will be quite easy, last one will be a difficult one, but the second will be moderate to easy. Thanks for watching. Here are other 2 videos, you can watch them as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos and share these all videos among your friends.